makes that cell swell. Note, that's a term that they're looking at, okay, because concentration is lower, causes the cell to swell, and it ruptures. The term for that would be the cell lysis. So in conditions in the body where that salt level, once again, the materials are incorrect, the water movement makes the cell burst. Something that needs to be corrected in the body quickly. Because you begin to affect cells at the tissue level. And this will begin to affect tissues of the body. So anything other than isotonic causes the cells of the body to die. When we end up getting movement across the plasma membrane, and these materials have to go by way of a protein that will transport it, it's mediated. When you mediate something, you kind of help the process go. You help that process move along. But note the things that have to be present. We have specificity. That protein will only move a specific molecule. There can be competition, meaning if we have two molecules that have a similar shape, both can fight for that spot in the protein. Sometimes this is not good, okay? Saturation will affect it. The amount that will move into a cell will only be the amount of proteins that are present. You can have a ton of solute on the outside, but if it can't move but 10 of those particles, that's all that's going to get across. The rest could possibly go into the waste of your body. It could become part of urine or feces. So it could be a situation where the only materials that are going to get across are what can go across that protein based on the number of proteins present. A lot of the way vitamins work, which is why some vitamins that are water soluble, for example, vitamin C, okay, which a lot of people are probably taking right now, okay. Some people are probably taking a lot of vitamin C because it's cold and flu season, and we're basically saturating our body with vitamin C, but we don't have enough in our cells to actually utilize all we may be giving it, and the rest is simply going into our urine. This is how a lot of vitamins work. A lot of vitamins, they can either be lipid soluble or water soluble. We go and we may buy vitamins. We take the vitamins as the body does whatever the body does to them. They're in very high amounts because the people who make vitamins know that the body can only utilize a small portion, and they are hoping the body will use it, but then the rest becomes part of our waste. So when you take a lot of vitamins and stuff, a lot of times you're creating expensive urine and everything because a lot of it's going out of the body. Because our body can't really utilize a lot of what is a man-made substance. Getting it in our foodstuffs, yes. But when we saturate it, like through a vitamin pill, we don't get to utilize all of it. Body doesn't really recognize it. Take a break. Be back at 9:30.